This is the reality for many people to make money online. With the internet, there are unlimited ways to make money online without even needing to leave the house where you live. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to make money online through the internet. These are real ways. They're not just imagination that you can do only on paper. These are things I've done most of them, and I'm sure most of you guys can do the same. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, part-time job, a full-time job, or even becoming a millionaire. So if you're ready to make your dream become true, then stick around and let's get started. Let's talk about one of the most exciting ways to make money over the internet. Guess what? Yes, YouTube! What are you doing now? Okay, yes, YouTube, you can make money over the YouTube. All what you have to do, you already have a Gmail account, right? Create a YouTube channel and start uploading your videos. That's it. Sometimes some of you guys will say, hey, I don't know if I like to show on the YouTube. I don't know what to talk about. It doesn't matter. If you're ambitious about something, just make videos about it. Let people learn. Share your info. Now you're gonna ask, how much money does YouTube make? Well, that's a good question. It depends. It will take time, by the way, until you start making YouTube videos. I think you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of people watching your YouTube videos. But once you get to that point, some videos you might make pennies or dollars, $5-10, which is nothing, change. Some people, that's their full-time job. Yes, full-time income. And actually, guess what? Some people became millionaires from YouTube. Yes, sir. So why not? You can make money online just doing YouTube videos. Give it a shot. And if you guys want a YouTube video or a video about how to make money from YouTube step by step, please let me know. I'm going to talk about an amazing app called Field Agent. Okay, why is this app amazing? First of all, it's a mobile app and it's so easy to use. All what you need to do, just download and install the app on your smartphone, right? After you install the app on your smartphone, you're gonna find a list of things, tasks to do. Or you can even switch to the map so you can see where each one of those tasks is located. Click any of those tasks. Those tasks are so easy. Let's say, for instance, you're walking down the street and there was a Walmart or any grocery store. The task will say, hey, please take a picture for this section. Let's say cheese section or flour section or something, and send it to them. Is that hard? You're already there. Or let's say another task, there was a pizza store and you were there, and we'll say, hey, order this pizza. And they will pay you the price of the pizza, and also they'll pay you for the task. Answer a few questions about the pizza. What do you think about it? Or maybe a fast food thing. Or let's say you're walking downtown and there's a building, and the task will say, please take pictures for that building. Take pictures and text, send it. And they'll pay money for that. Isn't that easy? Okay, some of you are gonna ask, how much are gonna pay for those so easy tasks? Actually, they do pay. When you first start, they pay you between $3 and $10 per task. And after that, of course, by time, you'll start collecting points, and then they'll pay you even more. So, hey guys, don't hesitate. Take advantage of these amazing apps. I included a link down below for that app. And if you click install the app from the click down below, I think you got a $5 gift from the first task you complete just for using the link. So, hey guys, it's an opportunity. You're already there. Don't waste your time and drive extra miles just to do that task. It's not worth it. But hey, if you're there by the neighborhood, let's say you're going to Walmart and you see a task for Walmart or something close to you and you're already there, make extra money. Isn't that fun? All right, let's get started and tell me what you think about that app. What about if I told you you can make money doing something you love? What about if I told you you can make money doing Instagram Reels? I think most of us have Instagram or enjoy going through Instagram. Well, what about if you can make money using Instagram? Yes, that is correct. Of course, you need to get invited to join that program of Instagram Reels. But if you get invited, you're gonna make lots of money. Okay, how to get invited to that program? This started 2023 because, as we know, Instagram is trying to compete with other platforms. You know, how is it trying to compete? So those Instagram Reels are short videos, like 10, 20, 30 seconds video, just short videos, right? And what Instagram's trying to do is trying to compete with those other platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok or other platforms, and they're paying you money to make those videos. How to get invited? All what you need to do is two things. It's simple, really, it's not complex. First of all, you need to have a video reel on your Instagram that has at least 1,000 viewers. That is so easy. The second thing, Your Instagram account needs to become either business or creative. So you cannot use your personal account. So once you do these setups, you're good to go. And you're gonna make money using Instagram Reels. Good luck. Now let's talk about one of the easiest ways to make money from the internet or using your smartphone. Fetch. What the hell is that? Okay, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. All we need to do is you have a receipt. I don't know where you get that receipt from Walmart, going grocery store, shopping, restaurant, I don't care. All we need to do is just scan that receipt. And guess what? You'll get rewards. Use those rewards to get gift cards, get a meal, something. And what is even fun about it is when you send a referral link for your friend to use that app, you'll also get rewards like about 4,000 points, and your friend will also get the same thing. So that's why down below in the video description, I shared a link for that app. So if you guys want to get rewards or points using that app, please click the link. It says at the bottom Fitch referral link, so you can download it from there to get the points. And let's go to the next way to make money. What about if I told you there is a simple way to turn your photos into cash? Would you believe that? Well, if you like take photos, I think this app is gonna definitely be your best option. Phope. Okay, what does Phope do? Phope does is sells your photos to companies and businesses because, you know, if you download a photo from Google, we know the copyright rules and we cannot download any photo and use it. So businesses, if they need photos, guess what? They're gonna buy your photo from Phope. What Phope does is they pay you 50% from how much they make selling that photo. And you can set up the price. Let's say you want to sell that photo for $10, $20, $50. Set up your price and they'll sell it for you online, and then they'll share it 50-50 with you. Is there anything better than that? Just upload all your photos and make money. Isn't that easy? So Phope has more than 10 million users. How to use Phope? All you have to do is set up your account, upload your photos, set up your price, and you're good to go. So easy. Here are a few tips to use Phope. Try to upload high quality photos. I mean, if you want to get your photos to sell better, right? Try to add tags to the photos, keywords. Try to also participate Phope's missions sometimes, which are good. And if you want, you can promote your Phope photos on social media to get more viewers. Do you have a skill or service you can offer? If yes, Airtasker will definitely be one of the best ways you can make money. How come? Airtasker is a platform that connects people who need help with a task with the people who can help with that task. So let's say, for instance, let's say a person has products, he wants to sell them online and he wants somebody to do that for him. Guess what? He shares that, lists it on Airtasker, and when you go on the website and sign up to that website, you're gonna find that task there waiting for somebody to take it and help that person with selling those products online. So let's say somebody wants to sell those products and said, hey, I can offer you $500 if you can sell my products online. And you are sitting doing nothing, and suddenly you find a job, you can do it in one day, or I don't know how many hours, you can make $500. Isn't that interesting? Well, in that case, don't forget to sign up. I can write the link down below, Airtasker. Just sign up and it's gonna show you all the tasks available in your zip code. And it's very easy. Those people who list those tasks can put any price they want, or you can offer them whatever you can offer for that task. Let's say he said, I will pay $100. He said, nah, I want 120 or 150. You can offer him that. So flexible. If you have free time and you want to make money, go ahead. There are many opportunities for that. Don't miss the opportunity. The last app we're going to talk about here is called Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, I think many of you heard of that app before or used it before. It's a very simple app. It's very easy. All what you need to do is download and install the app on your smartphone, and it will ask you a few questions, survey, like your opinion about a few things. It doesn't pay that much, unfortunately, but hey, better than nothing. Some people might need those pennies. Just one note about it. To get more survey, try to always check the app, like at least once a day, so Google know that you're interested. It'll give you more survey. And try to keep your GPS open or turned on so Google knows where you are, because it will send a survey sometimes based on where you are at that moment. And finally, try to answer the questions honestly, because Google wants your opinion about what's asking you about, and if you don't answer honestly, it's not gonna send you surveys that often. Finally, I'm gonna also add a link for that app down below in the video description. You can use it. You'll get a few extra pennies, why not? You can download the app from the link down below. And if you guys have any other questions, please let me know.